Right. Next one is the derivation of bimolecular rate constant. We have to find out the rate constant of the bimolecular. So I'm taking two reactants are in gaseous stage. Clear? So followed the collision theory. Here A and A, these two are the similar to forming the product. Clear? Now, see here, these two reactants are participating in the collision, they're forming a product. Clear? Now, I am write the rate of reaction, small r for the number of molecules per unit volume. I am written rate of reaction for the number of, what is there here? Number of molecules. Here is n is indicating number of molecules n, that is equal to number of molecules per unit volume or milliliter or millimeter. Clear? Now here's n is indicating the number of molecules per unit volume. Right? Now see here, number of molecules. Which molecule? Reactant molecules. Right. Now R equal to, when remove the proportionality, we write the constant n whole square. This is the equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Clear? Following collision theory, the rate of reaction, sorry, right, the rate of reaction is equal to the Z e power of minus EA by RT. So what is that means? Here Z equal to number of collisions in a unit time in a unit volume. What is that? Now is the following collision theory, the rate of reaction is equal to the number of collisions in unit time in a unit volume. So that's why I written this one equation. This is the equation number 2. Equation number 2. Look at here, from the equation number 1 and 2, we have tried at the place of R, here is the place of R, kn square. From the equation number from 1 and 2, how we can write? In that place of R, we should write k n square, that is equal to this one, Z e power of EA by RT. So this is no. Now see here, this n square is coming to the down, k equal to Z e power of EA by RT by n square. That is the equation number 4. Now that is visible, right? Now this is the equation number 3. Okay, right? Now see here, I am write the following kinetic gases theory. Kinetic gases theory. Look at here. What is going here? Following kinetic gases theory, Z equal to 4n square sigma square pi RT by m 1 by 2. pi RT by m 1 by 2. This is the equation number 4. Substitute equation number 4 in 3. Substitute, what is that? 4 in 3. Substitute. Okay, substitute 4 in 3. Where it is to substitute? At the place of z. Clear? Write down. K equal to, what do you write here? 4n square sigma square pi RT by m by, here what is the value there? Remain value is the e power of EA by RT by n square. This n square and this one n square is cancelled. Remain K equal to 4 sigma square pi RT by m e power of EA by RT. Okay now? Next. Now A equal to 4 sigma square pi RT by m E 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 here 1 by 2. E power of EA by RT. Now this is the A is the frequency factor. Frequency factor. Okay. Now we should write here this total in that A only. A K equal to A into E power of minus EA by RT. So this is the derivation about the bimolecular rate constant. Bimolecular rate constant, that one. What is there here? That A into E power of, this is the E power of minus EA by RT. So the modified equation, that is modified equation is the rho A into E power of minus EA by RT. This is a modified equation. So why it is modified means a larger number of reactions, for the larger number of reactions, that equation is modified, that K equal to rho A into E power of minus EA by RT. So here rho equal to, rho is means, rho is the steric factor, steric factor. What is that? Steric factor. And next one is the, or it is probability factor. Probability factor. Clear? Probability factor. Right. Next here, sigma is indicating the collision diameter. Collision diameter. And next one, M is the molecular weight. Molecular weight. So this is about derivation of, what is that? Bimolecular rate constant.